Welcome to Homeschool for American Adults. Hi, I'm Donna Marie. In today's lesson, you will learn how to add ER to short action words like run or hop. These words have a short vowel and end with one consonant. You'll also learn a spelling rule to help you know when to double the final letter before adding ER. Let us begin. What does ER mean? Adding ER to a verb can mean a person who does the action. For example, a person who runs is a runner. A person who hops is a hopper. A person who swims is a swimmer. Read these words aloud with me. Ready? Let us begin. Run, runner. Hop, hopper. Swim, swimmer. Great job. Here's a special rule to remember. If a short word has one vowel and ends in one consonant, we double the last letter like this before adding ER. Let us read the words together. Ready? Let us begin. Hop, hopper. Run, runner. Sit, sitter. Great job. Try it yourself. Write your answers in a notebook or say them out loud. Add ER to each verb by following the spelling rule. Please pause the video to work at your own pace. The answer key will follow. The answer key. In the word hop, the last letter is P, therefore we double the P before adding ER. The last letter in the word sit is T, therefore we double the T before adding ER. The last letter in the word jog is G, therefore we double the letter and then added ER. In the word win, the last letter is N, therefore we double the N and added ER. Now it's your turn to build words. Use the rule you just learned. Think, does the word have one vowel and one consonant at the end? If yes, double it before adding ER. Spell out each final word. Write your answers in a notebook or say them out loud. Please pause the video to work at your own pace. The answer key will follow. The answer key. In the word swim, M is the last letter, so we double the M and then added ER. In the word drum, the last letter is M, therefore we double the M and then added ER. In the word plan, the last letter is N, therefore we double the N and added ER. In the word skip, the last letter is P, therefore we doubled the P and added ER. Great job. Let's use our new words in sentences. Can you figure out what word belongs in the blank? Use the base word and add ER the right way. I'll read the sentences with you. Ready? Let us begin. My brother is a fast, fill in the blank. She is a great, fill in the blank, in the band. I saw a little, fill in the blank, hopping around. Here are the base words that you will use: run, drum, and hop. Please pause the video to work at your own pace. The answer key will follow. The answer key. The first answer is runner, the second answer is drummer, and the last answer is hopper. Great job. Let's test what you've learned. Decide if each sentence is true or false. Write T or F in a notebook or say them out loud. The first sentence. Is it true or false? You add ER to a verb to make it mean a person. The next sentence. Is it true or false? Always double the last letter before adding ER. True or false? Run becomes runner is correct. Please pause the video to work at your own pace. The answer key will follow. The first answer is true. The second answer is false. You only double the last letter if the word has one vowel and one consonant at the end. And the last answer is true. Great job. Let's go over what you learned today. You learned adding ER means a person who does the action. You learned to double the last letter if the word ends in one vowel and one consonant. And you practice spelling and reading new words. Congratulations! You made it to the end of lesson 21. Now I have an assignment for you to do. Your assignment is to take a few minutes every day and review the lesson you've learned. If you find it difficult to do any part of this lesson, remember, you can always rewind this video and practice again. Never move on to the next lesson until you can complete this lesson with ease. When you can complete this lesson with ease, you are ready to move on to the next lesson. See you there. Now, we have reached the end of this session, but before you go, please, if you've experienced the joy of learning this interactive lesson, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you will know when the new lesson is uploaded. Thank you for joining me today. It was a pleasure teaching you. Bye-bye.